I was moving through the noise, through the crowd, trying to feel something real, something loud. But it all felt like a moment passing by, like a shadow in the corner of my mind. Then you found me in the middle of it all, like a silence when the world begins to fall. And your voice was like a place I've never known. Somehow it already felt like home. And I don't need to run anymore. I don't feel like I'm lost like before. Now it's easy just to breathe when you're right here next to me, like the world has slowed down and I'm finally found. Every second feels so true, every road just leads to you. I don't need anything else, I found heaven in myself. In your eyes I see a softer kind of light, like a sunrise that's been waiting all my life. All the questions that I carry disappear when you whisper, and I know that you are here. Every heartbeat falls into your rhythm now, like a promise that I don't need a doubt. And the future doesn't scare me anymore. You're the answer I was searching for, and I don't need to run anymore. I don't feel like I'm lost like before. Now it's easy just to breathe when you're right here next to me, like the world has slowed down and I'm finally found. Every second feels so true, every road just leads to you. I don't need anything else, I found heaven in myself. If time fades, let it fade away. I don't need more than this today. In your arms everything is clear, all I want is already here. Now it's easy just to breathe when you're right here next to me, like the world has slowed down and I'm finally found. Every second feels so true, every road just leads to you. I don't need anything else, I found heaven in myself. Just stay right here with me, that's all I'll ever need. Oh. I was walking through the quiet nights alone, chasing shadows, never felt like home. Then you came like a sunrise in my sky. Now I see the colors I denied. Every heartbeat feels like something new. Every dream is brighter next to you. Now I'm flying, I'm alive, like the stars have come to life. Every moment feels so right in your light, in your light. I was lost but now I see you're the best part of me. Every day feels like the start of a happy open heart. I was walking through the quiet nights alone, chasing shadows, never felt like home. Then you came like a sunrise in my sky. Now I see the colors I denied. Every heartbeat feels like something new. Every dream is brighter next to you.